Is your Dell docking station not delivering enough power? The root cause is often USB-C power delivery negotiation. Docks, aux, cables, and chargers must communicate to agree on voltage and current. Failure results in devices defaulting to low power, like 15 watts, causing slow charging or peripherals not working. This video will guide you through fixing these issues. Many users reported a 65-watt power limit when using XPS13 laptops with WD19TB docking stations. The issue was often caused by faulty cables or outdated firmware. Dell responded by issuing a recall for affected docking stations, addressing the hardware and software issues that were limiting power delivery. A Tom's hardware case study demonstrated that 90% of issues were resolved after applying firmware update 1.2.3 and using Dell's 130-watt charger. The key takeaway is to always use the correct charger specifications and regularly check for product recalls to avoid power delivery issues.